Occident is an online advertising company that focuses on the pay per click, that is, PPC model. It is cost effective and focuses on the ROI of the company. Their specialization is the effectiveness of the conversion based advertising campaigns in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. They are also a Google partner. It is founded and run by Biplab Poddar, an alumnus of Kalyani Government Engineering College. He is an Electronics and Communication Engineering graduate of the year 2017. His journey into the field of digital marketing began in his college days as a freelancer. With several years of experience under his belt, as well as dedicated clients, he founded Occident with the ideas of using the newest technologies and techniques for improving PPC. Occident has gained a client base of over 250 organizations all over the world, and its revenue is presently greater than 1 crore INR. Want to know the insights of a successful business based on PPC model? Want to know how Google's search algorithm is weighted by keyword proximity? Want to know how to carry forward your startup in its early stage? To brainstorm yourself with the world of digital marketing and various other key mantras for your startup, let's begin the interview session with Mr. Biplab Poddar. A very warm welcome from KGC Entrepreneurship Cell. Sir, thank you so much for being a part of this interview session. So, how did you come up with the idea of digital marketing agency, and especially in the domain of PPC? Was there any strategic approach of being so specific in service providing?
I pursued my BTech degree from Kalyani Government Engineering College in Electronics and Communication. Like many others, it was expected from me to get a job and get settled. But it was way too different from what I thought. I started doing paid internship right after the third year of college and worked as a part-timer digital marketing consultant for many startups as they were just getting started and cannot really afford a full-time digital marketer. Moving forward, I learned advanced techniques of various digital marketing tools and channels. I read an interview of a freelancer making $30,000 per annum from consulting on digital marketing to the foreign clients. Then I learned about freelancing platforms like People Per Hour, Upwork. Then I created a profile immediately on People Per Hour and got my first job within a few weeks. It was a London-based law firm. I helped them with their Google ads and they are still my client. That was the turning point of my life, and since then I never looked back. I was making a handsome amount of money in the final months of my engineering. I never wanted to join a full-time job, but I was unable to convince my parents, so I had to join a real estate company as a digital marketing executive. I parallel freelancing with my job and continued for 3 months after my college finished. More companies was looking for my service, and single-handedly it was very difficult for me to deliver results. Then finally I made decisions of quitting my job and registered Occident Technologies Private Limited as a company in September 2017. We started as a digital marketing company and was covering every verticals of digital marketing, from content to SEO, from email marketing, PPC, everything. But later on I realized a lot of companies are doing exact same thing. So to stand out from the competitions and also from the client side, the segment of businesses that we work with, they expect a direct ROI from their marketing investment, and PPC, which is pay per click advertising, is the best channel for grabbing the quick conversions and ROI for them. And in fact, our average client sees a 6.5x ROI from their ad spend, meaning every single dollars they spend on ads, they get a 6.5x dollar in sales.
From freelancing to co-founding Occident is really a very inspiring journey for all the viewers who are seeing this interview session right now. My next question to you is that it has been seen generally that freshers tend to work in startup just to add some experience in their CVs. Hence, there is a very low retention rate. On the other hand, any middle-aged, settled employee may be more focused on their personal well-being. Hence, in this type of situation, how do you handle and develop manpower?
Hiring talent has been quite challenging things as we are in a very specific industry and not many talents are available in PPC domain exclusively. Most of the candidates tends to have experience in SEO field with a very minimal expertise in PPC. I prefer to hire candidates with 1-2 years of experience in digital marketing and then train them on the PPC models.
Well, that's really amazing. So, these training which you are providing to the freshers, that is Occident Mini, what exactly is it and how does this help you to develop and maintain the skill pool in your company?
Our team updated with the new developments happening in the industry. We conduct training sessions every Friday for our internal team to discuss new developments in the PPC industry, new trends, case studies. We call this program Occident Mini, and training our new members with the latest trends in PPC is one of our main.
I'm pretty sure that the trainings which you provide really help the amateur digital marketing enthusiasts who work for you. Sir, the question which I would now like to ask is that what was the story behind your previous startup, that is planmetour.com?
In a tour package company with digital marketing and felt a lot of things can be done to improve the end-to-end experience of a tourist. I discussed the idea with my friends and we decided to start the project. We started building the platforms but couldn't really complete it as they had to join the companies they were placed in. It still remains an unfulfilled dream for us and we hope to make it happen in the upcoming future.
So in a middle class family, it is often seen that though you are passionate about making your startup or business, they often give more priority to 9-to-5 jobs. How did you manage with this situation?
I even tell my parents that I started the company and I continued like this for 3-4 months, and when revenue started flowing in the company, I told my parents that I started up the company.
Surely you have faced a lot of struggle in your college days. So how did KGC's environment help you with your entrepreneurial journey?
I used to attend every discussions and events of KGC ESL. I think that helped me a lot to develop a mindset of starting something of my own. I would like to thank KGC ESL and all my friends from KGC for their immense support during my struggling days.
A real challenge for any company is to satisfy their clients. So how do you run the conversion focused ad campaigns and make sure that your client will get a handsome ROI?
We call ourselves ROI obsessed and focus on sales leads, unlike other agencies who primarily focus on clicks, impressions and reach. We make sure every client that working with us are profitable and they are getting most out of their ad spend. Our objective is not only bringing traffic to the website or app. We always look to increase the innovative ideas to make sure the cost for acquisitions is low, and this is the reason why even complex online businesses put their trust in us in terms of their online advertising campaigns.
With this, we come to the end of the interview session. Thank you so much, Biplab sir, for being a part of it. I'm sure that the viewers have learned a lot about digital marketing and entrepreneurial skills from you. Also, a hearty thanks to all the viewers listening to this. We, the entrepreneurship cell of Kalyani Government Engineering College, have started a monthly initiative with the motto Illuminate, Inculcate, Invigorate. So, on the first day of every month, we will bring to you the experiences of real-life entrepreneurs in their own voice. This is our first video in the series. So if you enjoyed it, do like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we come up with a new one. Until then, keep hustling.